In this video, I'll guide you through how to customize Acuity Scheduling to perfectly match your brand. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a team, having a scheduling system that reflects your brand can enhance your professionalism and ensure a seamless experience for your clients. So let's dive right in and start customizing. First, you'll want to navigate to your scheduling page. This is the hub where all your appointments are managed and where you can make most of your customizations. Once you're on your scheduling page, you're ready to start making it truly yours. Next, head over to the style section. This is where the magic begins as you can choose your brand fonts, giving your scheduling page a personalized touch. Fonts play a crucial role in conveying your brand's personality and values, whether it's modern and sleek or classic and sophisticated. Take a moment to browse through the available options and select the one that aligns with your brand identity. Remember, consistency is key. So if you have specific fonts that you use on your website or other marketing materials, aim to match those here. Once you've set your fonts, it's time to move on to the settings. This section allows you to adjust various elements that will further customize your client's experience. Begin by selecting a template that best suits your needs. Templates can help streamline the layout of your scheduling page, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. Next, consider uploading your logo. This is a simple yet effective way to reinforce your brand's presence. Your logo will add a professional touch and assure clients that they are in the right place. Ensure that your logo is high quality and correctly sized for the best appearance on your page. Additionally, you have the option to include special instructions or messages for your clients. This feature is particularly useful for providing important details about your services, appointment policies, or any other information that clients should be aware of. Craft these instructions carefully, keeping them clear and concise to avoid overwhelming your clients with too much information. As you customize, occasionally preview your changes to ensure everything looks just the way you want. It's always a good idea to see things from the client's perspective to catch any inconsistencies or areas for improvement. Remember, customization is not just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing the overall user experience. A well-customized scheduling page can make the booking process smoother for your clients, potentially reducing no-shows and increasing bookings. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, save your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully tailored your Acuity scheduling page to reflect your brand. Customizing your scheduling page might seem like a small detail, but it can make a significant impact on how clients perceive your business. By taking the time to align this tool with your brand, you're showing attention to detail and commitment to providing a cohesive and professional experience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.